Hey y'all, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing y'all my current wash day routine. I did switch up the products a little bit, so it's a little different than my last wash day video. So if you guys are interested, please continue watching. Okay, so first I'm just going to wet down my hair and make sure it's completely wet before I add the shampoo. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do first. Okay, so the shampoo that I've been using is the Equate Anti-Dandruff Therapeutic Shampoo. And it's this brown shampoo and it really helps with my scalp because sometimes I have like a really itchy scalp or a really dry scalp. So this really helps with the dryness and itchiness and it keeps it from like having dandruff. So I don't use the shampoo every time I wash, but probably like every other wash I'll use the shampoo and it's really helped. And this is like comparable to the Neutrogena tea gel shampoo, but this one's like half the price and it works just as good. So this is what I've been using lately. The smell, if you guys haven't smelled this shampoo before, it's not really the best smelling shampoo. It kind of stinks. So whenever I rinse my hair out, I make sure to try to rinse it all out because the smell isn't good, but it does work, so it's worth it. So how I use the shampoo, I make sure to get it, like I concentrate the shampoo like to my scalp, and then after I get all of the shampoo on my scalp, then I'll just drag the remainder down like the length of my hair, and that's how I do it because I just kind of want to focus it on my scalp to make sure my scalp is nice and clean. And so then afterwards, I'll just go ahead and take my pick and I'll just use that to kind of like scratch my scalp with it. My nails are kind of weak right now because I just took off my acrylics, so I like it. I feel like it gets to my scalp better than my nails would, so I do this, and then after I do that, I'll go ahead and rinse my hair out, and then I'll shampoo it one more time. Okay, so after I have the shampoo all in my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and take the rest of my hair and just wrap it into a bun. And then I'll just let that bun sit while I finish the rest of my shower, just so that shampoo can kind of like sit on my scalp for a little bit before I rinse it out. Okay, so once it's sat on my hair for at least about 5 minutes, I'll go ahead and rinse it out. And I like to make sure I rinse it out completely before I add my conditioner. Okay, so the conditioner I've been using lately is the Aussie Miracle Moist conditioner, and it has avocado oil and Australian jojoba oil in it. And I really like this conditioner. It gives a lot of slip and it makes it pretty easy to detangle my hair. So that's what I've been using lately. With my conditioner, I like to use a generous amount because I feel like the more conditioner, the easier it is to detangle my hair. So I definitely kind of go overboard with it. I like to make sure my hair is like completely saturated with the conditioner before I detangle my hair. Okay, so once I have the conditioner all in my hair, then I will just kind of split my hair into two sections, like half and half, and then I'll detangle it like one section at a time. I still use my favorite go-to brush. This is the wet brush. I love this brush. It helps detangle your hair and then it's like really gentle with your hair. So I first use this brush, and when I use the brush, I like to have my hair like under running water as I'm detangling it, and that helps it just like go through easier and detangle faster that way. So then I will go ahead and detangle like one section at a time. I just take my time doing this under running water. It makes it so much easier for me to detangle my hair this way. Okay, so once I feel like my hair is pretty detangled, I'll go in with another brush. This is the Mitchell Mercier brush. I've been using this brush for a good like maybe 6 months or so now. I really like it. I like it because the bristles are more like sturdy. They're sturdier than the wet brush. And so I can really get to my scalp, like from my scalp all the way to my ends easily with this brush. So any like tangles that I missed with the wet brush, I'll go through and get them with this brush. So I don't use this brush first because it's like, I don't want to say rough, but it's like more like it's stronger. The bristles are much stronger than the wet brush's bristles. So I use this last just to make sure that everything is completely detangled. This is a really good brush, you guys. If you haven't tried this brush, I totally would recommend it. I'm going to leave everything that I'm using in my description box down below so you guys can check out the products. Okay, so once I'm done with that side, I'll take the other side and do the exact same thing. I'll start with the wet brush, running my hair under the water and brushing it, and then I'll take the other brush, the Mitchell Mercier brush, and then just brush through it again just to make sure it's completely detangled. And then I'll put the sections together, brush it all together, and make sure it's completely detangled before I rinse it out. Okay, so once I feel like it's nice and detangled, I'll go ahead and rinse it out. Okay, and so I'm just squeezing out some excess water, and that's it. Okay, so I'm out of the shower, and what I do when I get out of the shower, I just put a cotton t-shirt on my head, and then I just wrap it around and secure it with a hair tie, and that just gets rid of some of the excess water in my hair. So my hair is still pretty damp, but it's not like dripping wet anymore. And so then from here, I'll just take some curl enhancing smoothie. I'm gonna section my hair into 2 sections. Like this, and then I'll just take a generous amount and then I do the same thing on the other side. Take a good amount. And then I'm just taking my Tangle Teaser brush and I'm just brushing it through my hair. And my hair's already detangled because I detangled it in the shower. So this part is pretty easy. So how I'm gonna wear it today, I'm just gonna do it in a low ponytail. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure I have my part where I want it. Okay. And then next, I'll just take my Eco Styler gel and I'll just put that on my hair just to slick it down. And then I'll just take my brush again and just smooth it down. Okay, and then I'll just secure it with a hair tie. Okay, and so that's basically all I do just to get my hair nice and moisturized. It's moisturized and detangled, and then it's just gonna air dry, and then it's gonna poof up, and then the curls are gonna be more poppin'. But yeah, that's all I do. Okay, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.